You should not fear losing. You should not fear going into drawdown. You should not fear blowing out your first account. You should not fear that. Respect that that might happen, and that is going to be the instigation for you to follow rules. Developing discipline, keeping your mind in the game about what it is you're doing, not just going out there and just rolling the dice to see what happens. Now, I'm reminding you, in these instances, what's going to happen is probably what you don't want to see happen. And the perfect illustration of that is you don't want to see it happen, and you won't accept that it's happening, even though if you're in that trade that you impulsively entered, at some point, many times, you'll have that little warning sign go off. It isn't going to work out for you. And your conscience, which will be your inside voice, your internal voice, will say, you should have never did that. Just close it right now. You're only down a couple $100. Just close it. But you won't. You won't. Because you are hurting, and you want a white knight to come in and save you. And the white knight never fucking shows up. It doesn't. And then one of two things happens. The market stays against you and eventually squeezes you out where you can't even tolerate it anymore. Or you blow out. How are you going to feel about your execution, your decision to take that trade at the time, knowing that you shouldn't have done it? Then even in that trade, you knew you should have got out, but you didn't. Do you see how it easily compounds? These are things that mentors don't talk to you about because they don't have any answer for it. They'll talk about something that's in the left side of the chart. They'll sell.